What's up, guys? My name is YOUNGSPADES. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. For those of you who have not subscribed yet, please make sure you do and hit that notification bell button so you are aware every time I upload a brand new video. So today what I have for you guys is a hair video, and I wanted to just do something super simple with you guys and go back to my roots. Let's just do a doing my hair video, and I'm going to be using my hair product, showing you guys how I'm styling my hair today. Obviously that was such a big part of my channel, doing my hair on video, and I haven't done it in such a long time, and I remember it was so easy. It was a good way to connect with you guys. It was a good way for you guys to ask questions. It was a good way to just generally be on this platform and have fun. So that's why today, that's what I'm going to be doing. And also another important part of my daily routine, which is exactly what I'm sharing with you guys right now, is picking out an amazing fragrance. And today this video is sponsored by Scentbird, which is a matchmaking service for you in fragrances that you may have not even know existed, maybe had no idea that brands had launched them, and you're able to just get fragrances delivered to you each month, the fragrance of the month, or you could go ahead and choose your own personal selection to be delivered to you. And this subscription service is only $14 a month, or they have multiple packages where you could go ahead and create for yourself if you have a little bit more of a budget. But guys, Scentbird is the best, one of my favorite subscription services that I've been using for such a long time now, and I am super faithful to it because I do get to learn about new fragrances, new brands, and it simply just allows me to take time, use up this nice 0.27 vial right here and use it every single day, or just put it in my pocket if I want to use it for certain occasions. If I go out to dinner, I make sure that I have this on me. Make sure I have it in my glove compartment or just in my jacket. It's very discreet and you could use it anywhere. And the fragrance of the month is Atelier Cologne, which is Clementine, California. This smells amazing, guys. It's a perfect summer scent. It's very fresh, it's very classic and elegant, and it has really nice hints of citrusy fruits. And also, guys, this sunny composition built around clementine from California sets off sweet citrusy fruit with green notes of juniper and tang of mandarin, which you cannot go wrong with this. Perfect scent for you guys to have this summer because this nice Haitian Velvetier sandalwood scent is amazing, and it's gonna go with your nice linen suit, nice fresh button-down shirts like I have them here. So if you guys want to check out Scentbird, everything will be down below in the link, and you guys can use my code that's right here and begin shopping today. Go ahead and make that profile. So now back to the hair video. Let me spray some of this so I could be fresh. So like I said, guys, today I'm just gonna be doing my hair. I want to do this very off the cusp, just doing my hair, having fun. I haven't done it yet, and share with you guys exactly how I'm rocking it and what I'm doing. Obviously my hair is a little bit short right now because of spring and summer, so I want to just rock it. And also, just when I work out, I don't like the hair being all on my face. I have had this hairstyle for a pretty long time. I haven't really done anything crazy to it for the simple reason that I've been working a lot, aligning myself with brands that I just can't go ahead and get those crazy haircuts like I used to, like the crazy lines or just those crazy haircuts that I used to do in the past where I wasn't afraid to experiment, which I probably can do and I probably can get away with it, but still, I just, you know, it's my job. It's my hair right now, what it looks like. I obviously got the low taper from Nando, like always. My boy kills it. Nice fresh taper, keeps me fresh. I get a haircut about every 3 weeks or maybe 2 weeks. It depends on what Nando's doing. But as you can see, it's just a nice little low taper. Bang, 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 bang. The top, I keep it around 3 to 4 inches long, if I'm not mistaken. It might be just a little bit shorter, honestly, guys. And I just want to make sure that my hair is as flexible as possible. I am keeping my hair healthy by doing a nice shampoo routine, so I try to co-wash it. And what I mean by co-washing, I've been saying co-washing for a very long time now. I use conditioner about 3 times a week, so I shampoo it on Monday, condition, and I shampoo it on Friday with conditioner. So that just really helps me keep my hair moisturized, and it keeps the frizz away, and it doesn't let my hair be so flat, especially flat and break easily, especially since I do blow dry it every time that I take a shower. I like to just blow dry in the morning, get it done, style it, and that's it. So that's why, guys, I do the co-washing system. So if you guys have frizzy, wavy, curly hair, obviously the more curlier, the more drier it is. The more drier it is, you guys can go ahead and try out that nice routine with co-washing. And obviously, for me, this works out best, but co-washing in general could be, it's totally up to what your hair reacts to when you're doing it. So right now, I have my hair just like this, guys. Check it out. Boom, focus. As you can see, it's a little bit curly, a little bit wavy. I do like it like this. I have been styling my hair just forward a little bit as you guys could see, there really is no issue applying this product. It still works very well. It goes through my hair quite easily. There's no tugging, there's no pulling, which I really do hate. Like I said, my hair, I just let it really fall forward the way it wants to. I'm not spending too much time on doing my hair too crazy. The front fringe messy hairstyle is definitely, I feel like, in right now, so it doesn't really matter if you feel like your hair is a little bit crazy, or if you feel like your hair is crazy falling forward, then it's all good. I feel like if you guys seen those TikToker kids, they all have crazy straight hair that just kind of falls all over in front of their face with a nice taper. Guess that's the vibe this time. And as you guys could see, my hair is now complete, which is a complete blessing to have curly wavy hair where you really don't have to do much, because honestly the worst part is when you spend so much time doing your hair and it doesn't work. And I've experienced that when I had longer hair, which is why I keep my hair shorter, because I feel like when I do have longer hair, I just tend to take more time doing my hair. Then I have more bad hair days because it just doesn't work as well as having shorter, wavier hair. So that's why I maintain my hairstyle at this length. And also it's just easier to maintain, and I feel like it's at its healthiest when it's at this length. And I think that to me, that's very important to consider, is that how do you want your hair, how do you want your hair to feel, how do you like your hair to feel, and what it does for you and your lifestyle. Sometimes if you do have longer hair, you might just have to do a different routine. It might take a longer time to actually achieve healthier hair. Whereas if you have shorter hair, then you could cut that routine in half, or just do a little bit less, because there's less hair to have to deal with and there's less time management that goes into it. So for me, having a shorter hair like this is very easy, because even if I wanted to keep the sides a little bit longer, I can, and keep the top the same. It still has a complete different vibe, and I still get that gentleman look that I want. And this is obviously more of the edgier vibe, because I do have the shorter hairstyle like this, the shorter sides, but I do go back and forth with getting a taper. Sometimes I do go ahead and leave it just a little bit longer and maybe just do a 1 or a 2 and just trim up the sides and rock my hair that way, depending on how I feel like. If I feel like my hair is just a little bit too, like, I don't know, too basic, for example. So guys, that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this hair update slash hairstyle journal that I haven't done in such a long time. Boom. As you guys can see, my hair is nice and healthy. Hope you guys found some hair tips somewhere in this video. Honestly guys, I promise you that if you guys find the perfect hair length, and it's just a lot easier for you to take care of your hair and maintain it. If you do want to grow your hair longer, just be aware of that. Just be aware that you might have to change your routine, and you're gonna have to get to know your routine, and you're gonna have to adapt a new routine, and you're gonna have to just make sure you do everything possible to keep your hair healthy, because there's no point in growing out your hair if it's gonna be super unhealthy and it's unmanageable, and then it's just not gonna be fun. So I highly suggest, if you guys are thinking about growing out your hair, and do your research on what it takes to and what it means to have longer hair. But if you guys want the perfect length, and if you guys have wavier hair, then just consider playing with a shorter hairstyle. So that's what I have for you guys this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Scentbird, guys. The link is down below in the description of everything you need to know, and the discount code, the promo code, so you guys can go ahead and smell good this summer. I know that right now I'm feeling myself a little bit much because of this cologne that I have on. Satilier cologne smells amazing, guys. So don't forget to push down everything, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Don't forget to chap their hairstyling cream on everything. Bye bye. See you.